All right, looking at AC replacement for sure, possible full system. We've got a coil that's running out of refrigerants. I'll purchase it. You can see it right there. For reference sake, we are just off of the garage right here. There's good access to be able to pull everything in here without having to cover the flooring upstairs. Quick rundown on the unit. It is sitting between a B and C width on both furnace and coil. It's about 19 and a half. On the furnace. Yeah, furnace and coil. 19 and a half on the furnace, 18 and a half on the coil. Furnace is 44 inches tall. Coil from top of furnace to the supply side is 35 inches tall. This is going to be an 80% non-condensing furnace, so we're going to need to tie back into the metal flue here. On the left coming in, we've got a 3-inch from the water heater. Coming out of the furnace is a 4-inch, and then that's actually expanding to a 5 before it caps into the 6 here. So we'll either need a 4 right into the 6 or a 4 up to 5. Either way, this all needs to be pulled and replaced. Actually, looks like it's not even sealed right there. Gas is coming out on the left-hand side. We need new shut-offs. Get the electrical dropping on the right-hand side here. Drain sitting right in front of the unit here. The return drop is an 11 by 23. We've got 1,600 square feet, probably looking at an 80,000 BTU furnace. So probably looking to do a 10 by 26, which we've got plenty of space to be able to do that. If we come back in with B width, we'll pick up about 2 inches, and there's 3 right now between the return drop and furnace. If we want to do the April air, we're still going to have to find another 2, which we could move the whole unit to the right, take it a little bit to make that up. We'll just see what the homeowner wants to do. If we want to come back in with the April air return, we'll just scoot that to the right. We'll need to put everything up on the base, and then line set is running straight out over there.